You can start the video. Good morning, primary.
Good morning.
Well, we have a lovely assembly today. It's to introduce Pi Day, and we also have a special guest as well to tell us all about the Christmas Angels appeal from before Christmas and what happened to all the things that you donated. But first, we're going to start our assembly in the usual way. We have Layla and Liliana. Is it not working? I'll turn it on for you. With a little bit of 1 minute meditation. And
imagine you have 3 balloons, one here, one here, one here. When you breathe in, the balloons get bigger. When you breathe out, the balloons get smaller. Let's try this 3 times. Your 1 minute meditation has started now. Your 1 minute meditation has ended.
Hello. Good morning.
good morning.
Oh, I'm getting much better at my name. Fabulous. I love Winnie the Pooh. I am here to talk to you about Pi Day, but sadly for Winnie the Pooh, it is not that kind of pie. Pi Day at the top, no E. Pi Day at the bottom, E. So, Pi Day is next week on Thursday, which is the 14th of March. Does anybody know anything about the number pi already? And why it might always be on the 13th of March? Excellent, because the first numbers of pi are 3.14, and March is the 3rd month, the 14th. So March the 14th is Pi Day, and this is what pi is all about. It's got a lot to do with circles. You're going to learn a lot about circles next week. You're going to have lots of fun with this number, I hope, and possibly some fun with the pi sign as well, which we're also going to have a little bit of fun with the pi sign today. So, first off, did you know that this guy here, Rajveer Meena in India, he learned and recited 70,000 digits of pi. Took him 10 hours. Wow. And he was blindfolded so that he couldn't cheat. 70,000 numbers he had to remember because they had to be in the right order. Pi is a never-ending number. So there's lots and lots of digits in it. And he remembered 70,000 of them. Do you think you can remember 70,000 numbers? I know I can't. I can just about remember my phone number in the right order. Did you also know, I didn't know this until I started researching, that the pyramids are based on the same relationship. The height of the pyramids and the perimeter all the way around the bottom has the same ratio. There's another word you might learn next week if you don't already know it. It's the same relationship, so maybe the Egyptians, the ancient Egyptians, the one who built the pyramids, maybe they already knew about pi and used it. Maybe it's just a fabulous coincidence. Don't know. Okay, so we're going to play some pi dingbats. Do you know how to play dingbats? No! Fabulous, you're already going to learn something new today. So we're going to do the first one together, bit by bit. All you have to do is say what you see. What is that? Cherry! Fabulous. Does anybody know this sign here? Excellent. So what does my picture show you? Cherry pie. Cherry pie. Okay, you've got the idea. Are you ready? This one's a trick. Lots of people shouting at me. Can I see some hands? Oh, don't shout at me because you won't like it if I shout back. Let me see some hands. What do we think? Pirates. Do we agree? Pirates. Remember hands, not shouting? Oh, we've got right at the back here. Cutie pie. Do you see how that works? Q-T pie.
Cutie pie.
Oh, I've got shouters again. Let's go down here this time. What do we think this one is? Apple pie. One of my favourite pies. Oh, a little trickier. Say what you see.
Pipey.
How fabulous. I know some adults that didn't get this because they look at that and immediately think pee. And I said to some of the adults who I tried this out on, what sound does it make? Well, you got it straight away. Fabulous. Pie. This one is a tricky one, and you might not even know this word unless you are born at a certain time. Say what you see. What is this sign? Does anybody know what this picture is showing? It is water and it is waves. Where do we see waves in the water? If you just said it with your hand up instead, you might get a chance. Michael? Pisces. This is a star sign. If your birthday is... not sure even which month this is because I'm not a Pisces. Now. Oh, Miss Julia says it is now. If your birthday is around about this time, you are a Pisces. And this is my personal favourite one. I still have some shouters. Can't choose a shouter right at the back there. Pineapple. Pineapple. Personal favourite. Now, well done, dingbats is over. I know you were looking at this trying to work out what it is. This is not a dingbat. There is a dingbat on my shirt though.
Cherry pie.
It's not a cherry.
Raspberry.
It is a raspberry pie. Okay, things that you can look forward to on Thursday next week. There will be lots of possibilities to do art things with pi. Because pi has a lot to do with circles, the pi sign. We can do lots of artwork with the pi sign. So these are just some ideas of things that you might do with arts and crafts next Thursday. And of course, pi is all about maths. So there's going to be lots of pi things to do in your maths lesson next Thursday. Depending on which year you're in, will depend on what kind of maths you do.
Stop that.
There are books all about pi. I have this book here, and there was one in the library, but it's out at the moment, so somebody has it. If anybody needs it, and their teachers, I believe, have a link to this one. Some fabulous books that you can read all about pi. Next Thursday, you can come to school in non-uniform. You can come with circles and dots results, because that's all about pi, or you can come with pi, like I am today. I have another one for next Thursday. So next Thursday is a non-uniform dress-up day just for pi. I have a question.
A shirt which has maths on it.
A shirt which has maths on it. It is a maths day. If you can find circles or pi, that would be even better. But yes, maths is also fabulous. You know I love maths. And the Digits of Pi challenge. In your classes next Thursday, you are going to have a competition. Who can remember and recite in order the most digits of pi in, I had to put a time limit on it, otherwise I know some of you would want to spend all day practicing. We haven't got 10 hours like the record holder. In 20 seconds.
What?
I know. And then your teachers will send me the names of the people who are top in the class. I'm going to put them on a leaderboard. They're going to be sent to me, and this is the best bit. If you work really hard on Pi Day next Thursday, and you try really hard, you've got until next Thursday to try and remember all of these digits in order. You can. Are you ready for this one? You can have Friday off school. You're looking at me like you don't believe me. You're going to have Friday off school next week for being fabulous on Pi Day on Thursday. Now, some of us might be thinking, how can I learn the digits of pi? There are lots of different ways. The record holder said that he remembered images for every digit. That sounds tricky to me. I can't do it like that. But what I do know is that lots of you know all the words to hundreds of songs. So you could learn it through a song. This song here is a way of learning. This one only has the first 25 digits of pi. Now, the 25 digits, that means after the decimal point. So it's 3 points and then 25 digits. So if you learn this song, you already know 25 of them. There are other songs out there as well. Shall we have a little listen to this one? It gets faster, the words come up. Should we see how it goes? Yes. We'll see. It does get quick. Are you ready? It sticks in your head. Let's see this one.
They said, would you like some pie? I said, yes, I would. I forgot they made me mad. I would undo it if I could. They said, 3, 10, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 2, 1, 6, 2, 6, 1, 3, 3. They said, would you like some pie? I said, yes, I would. I forgot they made me mad. I would undo it if I could. They said, 3, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3, 3.
It's faster.
They said, would you like some pie? I said, yes, I would. I forgot they made me mad. I would undo it if I could. They said, 3, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3, 3. They said, would you like some pie? I said, yes, I would. I forgot they made me mad. I would undo it if I could. They said, 3, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3, 3.
Might have to say it that fast to get it in 20 seconds.
Like some pie. I said, yes, I would. I forgot they made me mad. I would undo it if I could. They said, 3, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3, 3.
That's too fast.
Now, look, I got it at the end. You might have to learn it that fast if you want to beat someone in your class under 20 seconds. And that brings me to the next maths day. This week's winners for Timetables Rockstars. Top in school, well done Titan. Some of you bourgeois have been top in school for weeks. So, winners in the competitions: Prometheus, Apollo, Phoenix, Titan, and Eagles. Well done to those classes and all the people in those classes that went on to TT Rockstars last week. And then, when we're all listening, we have some special mentions. These people were all top in their class. They got the most score on Times Tables Rockstars in their class last week. Again, sorry if I say your name wrong, please find me if I say it wrong. The first one is new to me. Eagles. Minso. Phoenix. Athar. Dali. Ikagra. Koloko. Leila. Carlo. Varnica. Bourgeois. Mark. Apollo. Sarah. Titan. Borhan, who is also top in school. Again, he has reclaimed his title. Europa, Jagoda, and Prometheus Zanetta. Did I say that one right? So well done to all of those people. Can we give them a round of applause? And next week there will be another competition. Watch out for it on Monday morning.
Okay, put your hands up. You're looking forward to Pi Day now.
Yes.
All right.
Friday.
Shall we give Miss Marchese a big round of applause? Thank you so much. Okay, I am going to invite the students down to the stage to introduce our next swimming competition.
Good morning, Prairie. We have a lot of competition ahead. It's a Pi Day digit memory competition as well, and the TT Rockstar. And in 2 weeks we have the fastest winners of Britannica. So it's just a reminder, it's happening in 2 weeks. So next week is still a preparation week, alright? And the week after it's going to be a competition for a week long. And if, it works. Okay, so many are asking you the prize for that one. Obviously, if you are one of the best in one of the events, your name is going to be on the golden ball, alright? We're going to give you house points as well and certificate. And the most probable to like it is going to be a non-uniform day, right? So get ready for that, and we wish you have a lovely weekend. See you around.
Thank you very much. All right. Who's looking forward to fastest swimming competition? Excellent. Swim fast. Okay, I'm going to invite Shandor and Yulia down to the stage. The microphone is just stopped working, so I will change the battery. But put your hands up if you remember the Christmas Angels competition from before Christmas, where we gathered up lots of things. We had little toys, we had food, we had hygiene items. Do you remember this? And we collected them all and we sent them off? Well, Shandor is the person who was distributing, that means giving out all of the Christmas love and cards and things that you collected. So I'm going to hand over to him. I'm going to take it back. Okay, so this one moves on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I welcome you all with lots of love. It's so good to see all of you. This morning I came to tell you about the children who we surprise with your donations like chocolate, sweets, shower, gel and food. You remember this, right? Yeah. We were given love not only to use it for our own good, but to share it with each other. To share it with those who are in need of it the most. I work with children who live in orphanages, children's homes, because they don't have a mom or a dad, or with children who live in very poor conditions. Are there any of you who do sports? Yeah? What kind of sports do you play? Football? You? What kind?
Badminton sometimes.
Okay. And you?
Football.
Football. Super. Are there any of you who play music or play on instrument? piano, piano, piano. Super, super, super. My faith, my hope is in that every single person is born into this world with a gift, a unique skill. Every single time when I meet a child like this, I have to ask myself this question, which is also a declaration. Why couldn't this child turn out to be a great chef, athlete, or a teacher? I have to see past their smudged faces, their worn-out shoes, dirty clothes, and I have to help them to see in themselves the treasures, talents which God placed in their hearts. To see and to make them see the good in themselves and to give hope into their little hearts. Before Christmas, I encourage as many people as possible to become the Christmas angel of a child who has a difficult fate. How great is it that I don't have to be alone, that I don't have to walk alone, because you are here too, and you help and support the people in trouble. Together with the teachers, you have collected lots and lots of sweets, food, shower, gel, soap, and many other things. You are amazing. I will show you in a short video how the packages were made out of the donations collected from hundreds and hundreds of places of the country. Okay. Okay. I set off with these packages to share the great amount of love which you and so many others have collected with your big hearts. És esetleg itt ugye ezeket ők rajzolták, a Merry Christmas.
Pictures you drew. Is there anyone who recognizes their own drawing? Right there?
Merry Christmas.
What is that?
Merry Christmas. Thank you for your help. Thank you for becoming Christmas angels. Always stay kind-hearted like this. And when you go home today, give a hug and a kiss to your mom and dad. Love binds us together. Love is limitless. Thank you very much.
For the benefit of these children, we are trying to collect the next couple of weeks donations, hygiene products that we will deliver them before Easter time. So we're thinking about toothbrushes, toothpaste, shower gel, things like that. So, okay? And we will put it in the newsletter, so you will know.
Csináltuk egy selfie-t, hogy nem tudom, hogy gyerekeknek majd, hogy ti adnátok az adományokat.
Chandler would like to take a selfie with all of you so he can show it to the children who receives these gifts.
És hogy így mutassak egy szívet.
You show a heart to him.
Okay, it's amazing. Thank you very much.
Okay, so remember how much you put a smile on these children's faces at Christmas, and how we can put a smile on their face again. Because you might take it for granted. If you need a new toothbrush, you just go to the store and you buy one. But they don't have the same opportunities that you do. So we can donate some things for them. It will put another smile on their face. Put your hands up if you would like to put a smile on the faces of these children here. Wonderful. It will be in the newsletter next week what you can bring in to donate, and in the announcements as well. So make sure you tell your mummies and daddies and donate again for these lovely children. Okay, where did I put the thing? Okay. Okay, can I please have the Eco Warriors down to the stage? Is it Europa or Eagle?
No, I think it's Europa. It's Europa.
We saw an E, but who is it? Okay. Okay. Now this week, what the classes doing well? Something?
Closing the doors.
They were closing the doors well. Excellent. Let's keep that heat inside. What do they need to improve on a little bit?
They need to use the paper both sides.
Oh, not again. That was last week as well. So make sure you're using the paper both sides before you put it in the recycling bin. All right. Now some eagle-eyed eagles noticed that there was an E on the certificate.
I don't know what's
So,
an E.
Lubo, could you tell us which classes were the winner this week?
Eagles plus Phoenix.
It was a draw! Eagles and Phoenix! Well done! but if the house captains do this, don't forget to stop when they do this, okay? Alrighty.
Okay, so this week here, house points are... This week's player house points are...
I'm going to be honest, that was particularly great. Because there was a lot of talking in between. But, well done to Air and for winning the house points this week. Okay, if you hear your name, I'd like you to stand up and we will celebrate you for being in the Golden Book and being generally amazing this week. If you're in Year 1 Falcons, you can kick rocks for that. Kick rocks. Oh, everyone else must be silent, Nala, and as still as you can. Nala, thank you. Because it's going to put a special moment. He's a golden boy. Look, you are in the Golden Book for trying your best to follow all the small rules. Fantastic. Well done, Kid Rock. And in Year 1 Falcons, can Leanna please stand up? Leanna, you're in the Golden Book for your good resilience. She learns to manage relationships in a very mature way. That means a very grown-up way. Well done. In Year 1 Falcons, can Emma Kaya stand up? Emma Kaya, you are in the Golden Book for your great effort in writing a story. Fantastic, well done. Can I remind you, no talking. In Year 5, can Sophia stand up? There she is, just over here, thanks Donna. You're in the Golden Book for teaching and supporting your friends in Crochet Club. Well done, you're a mini teacher. In Year 2 Eagles, can Ava please stand up? She's over here. In Year 2, Ava, you are in the Golden Book for helping Louisa settle in, translating, and generally being a very good friend. Thank you very much. In Year 1, there's a bunch of children who need to stand up for Year 1, okay? So, listen up for your name. Phyllis. Kipros, again. Mochi. There. Atlas. Not here. Sai. Oh, that should go over there. Rewan. What? And Samkin. Not here. Okay, these children in Year 1 are in the Golden Book for being amazing learners of a brand new language, knowing heaps of Hungarian words, and having fun with me. Miss Katinka. Oh, that's lovely. Well done for being such good Hungarian language learners. Okay. Oh my goodness. Alright, those guys can sit down, and then can all of Miss Katinka's EAL students from Year 1, 2 and 6 please stand up? Anyone taught by Miss Katinka? Alright, anyone who hasn't been taught by Miss Katinka this year? For making me smile and laugh throughout the year, telling me good jokes and funny stories, and being persistent, kind to each other, and keep being your best selves from Miss Katinka. And that is to Satya Vilmash. Benson, Nastya, Vika, Dorka, Atav, Danvat, Lena, Esther, Siddharth, Nana, Danielle, Billis, Ush, Victoria, Marshall, Jay and Ben Sol. Well done to all of you. I don't know if you've noticed, but Miss Katina is going to have a baby very soon, so she, yeah, I don't know if you noticed that she maybe just thought she had a basketball or something up her shirt, but she is actually a baby in there. So she is going to be going on maternity leave soon, so I think she was just appreciating all of the lovely children who she has enjoyed working with so much. Okay, right. Can I have in Year 4 Bourgeois, Mark stand up, please? Where is Mark? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Mark, you're in the Golden Book for showing increased maturity and independence. Well done, that means you're being more grown up and you can do things by yourself. Fantastic, well done. In Year 5 Titan, can Alina stand up? Where is it? Oh, she's over here. Alina, you're in the Golden Book for an amazing story on a natural disaster that developed the characters really well. Fantastic. Well done for a beautiful story. And he's not here today, but Kai is in the Golden Book for being so helpful in drama with the house points and playing time in the playground on Thursday lunch, 12:54, which is when Mr. Phillips, who wrote this, was out in the playground. So, let's give all of our Golden children a big round of applause. Okay, this time, if you hear your name, everyone must be silent. Well done, Layla. I can see she's making a special effort to show me how well she is sitting. I know. When you hear your name, I want you to come down to the stage, and we're going to stand up in front of the stage. So, if your name is Jay, you're the star of the week. Jay, you are star of the week because of your excellent skill in division. He really enjoys maths, and you're very happy to help others to learn how to share fairly. Keep it up. Well done. Fantastic. In Year 1 Ravens, can Anna please come down? Come on, Anna. Congratulations, you're star of the week because you have settled in so well into school, and you're such a wonderful addition to the Ravens class. You're already showing your kind and thoughtful nature, and we're so happy to have you. Oh, she's not here, but in Year 2 Eagles, Heloisa is the star of the week. What we'll do is we'll save it and we'll give it to her next week when she's here. In Year 2 Phoenix, Atar. There he is. Atar, you always work hard in every lesson. You demonstrate the Britannica values and you're a kind friend to your classmates. Atar, you've also written a fantastic biography about Miss Hannah from Year 1 this week. Well done, Atar. Keep up the good work. Year 3 Darlie, can Mandy please come down? Mandy is always super engaged in her learning. This week she has been awesome at finding change when running a shop. Very well done. In Year 3 Colotto, can Armin please come down? Armin, you are star of the week for always bringing a calm and collected attitude to class. You're always showing others how to stay calm but positive. Keep it up. In Year 4 Bourgeois, can I have Matzi, please? Matzi, you are star of the week for being reliably self-motivated, mature and independent, and for sharing your ideas in class with confidence. Very well done. In Year 4, Carlo, can Varnica come down, please? Varnica, you have really grown in confidence, and now you're showing what a great team player you are. You help others and are always kind. You also rocked in time several rock stars this week. In Year 5 Apollo, can I have Fulop, please? Fulop, you are star of the week for great improvements in your handwriting and presentation, as well as making an effort to do the right thing in class and on the playground. Keep it up. In Year 5 Titan, can Karen please come down? There she is. Karen, you are star of the week for thinking carefully while reading a text and then asking the questions that help you and your peers better understand characters and their actions. You also did a fantastic job reading questions carefully on your reading assessment. Karen, you set an example with your desire to keep learning from your mistakes. In Year 6 Europa, can I have Vilmos, please? Vilmos, you are Star of the Week for making an error, getting something wrong, trying again, learning from others and asking questions. What a great learner you are. In Year 6 Prometheus, can Minghe please come down? He's not here. Okay, we'll keep it for him and we'll give it to him next week. Alright, now we're on to the subject, Star of the Week. So in Year 1 Ravens, can Ursh please come down? Ursh, you are Star of the Week for EAL because you have an amazing can-do attitude towards learning, inventing an amazing adventure story about you, your dog, Sunny, and the stolen ice cream, and for being a great pirate. The Hungarian Star of the Week is also someone from Year 1 and who actually made it into the merit book as well. It's Kiprop. Well done, Kiprop. Well done. Kiprop, you are Star of the Week for Hungarian for being a keen and attentive learner and a great singer of Hungarian songs.
Yes, right.
In the Drama Star of the Week, can I have Laura from Year 3 Dali? Laura, you are Star of the Week for being supportive and uplifting with everyone in drama. Your positivity and encouragement is incredibly valuable. Keep being fantastic! The Music Star of the Week is someone in Year 2 Phoenix, is Emily. Emily has done a fantastic job this week, singing and demonstrating her knowledge of accents and on strong beats. She can write the Mr. Potato Head song. What's that, solfege? I don't know what that is. Obviously, I'm not a great musician. And helped her classmates as well. Great work, Emily. Fantastic. And the PE Star of the Week is our final one, and it's also someone in Year 1. It is someone from Year 1 Ravens, and it's Mark. Mark, you are Star of the Week for answering all questions about backstroke and for swimming one full length in deep water on your back. Fantastic. Very well done to you. Let's give all of our stars a big round of applause. Thank you very much. Well done, guys. Okay, just a few notices. So, thank you, Penny. She sat beautifully, just waiting for Carla. Well done, Alex. Well done, Artem. Well done, Nicola. I think I'll talk to you four, Lucci, at the end of assembly, okay? So just a few days, we've got Pi Day next Thursday, so don't forget your non-uniform, don't forget to memorise some digits of pi and come prepared for a fun activity involving pi. On the 15th of March, it's a national holiday, that's the Friday. We've got a secondary open day for Year 5 and 6 families on the 18th of March, and that same day, your Term 2 reports will be published to the parent portal. The following day, on the 19th of March, will be Parents' Afternoon. So all your teachers will be meeting with your mums and dads to talk all about your learning progress and targets. There are various trips, and on the 28th of March, which is a Thursday, but the last day of Term 2, because the 29th is on the Friday is a national holiday, that's when we have our book character dress up day, where you come into school dressed as a character from a book. It's super fun. Okay, just a couple of quick notices. Some of you go to lunch and give a football to somebody else to hold it for you and save it for when you finish lunch. Does that sound fair and right? No. No, because then no one's allowed to play with that ball while you're eating your lunch. What should happen is you give it to someone else to play with. If someone asks you to save a ball for them, say, sorry, I'm not allowed to, Mrs. Morton said no. And the bigger ones who go to eat their lunch, please don't ask the little ones to save your ball for you. Let other children have a turn at playing with the equipment. Okay, we understand?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Also, I've got here using our words. What I mean by that is if something is upsetting you on the playground, if your friend has done something annoying, then use your words. Don't say, ugh, or I don't want to talk to you. What you should say is, can you stop doing that, please? I don't like it. Stop it, I don't like it. I feel upset. Use your words to explain to your friends how you are feeling. All of our children are really lovely and very nice and would not keep doing something that is upsetting you if you tell them it's upsetting you. So, use your words. Got it?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. All that's left to be said without shouting them is, have a